If you've been looking for a delicious salad that tastes like fall in a bowl, then you're going to want to watch this video, so stick around. Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chu on Vegan. Welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I'm a plant-based RN and I like to share my recipes with you. Today I'm going to be making a harvest salad. It has so many good ingredients. It tastes like fall in a bowl. We got sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts, pomegranate seeds, pumpkin seeds. It's just so many different flavors and textures. There's going to be some apple in there, so it's like sweet and savory, and it comes together really quickly. So let's get started. All right, for this harvest salad, it's going to have Brussels sprouts in it. So the first thing we're going to do is get the Brussels sprouts onto a lined baking sheet. And I'm going to just half these. If they're really big, I'll quarter them. And then we'll season them up. If you want to take off the little ends, you can. Like that. Just whatever you're in the mood to do. So we'll get these done. Like this one I'll cut because it looks kind of icky. And we're not going to use any oil. If you want to use oil, you can. I'm not going to. I want to keep this as low calorie as possible. And you don't really need oil to roast veggies. And this is about 2 cups. All right, I'm going to finish these up and then we're going to work on the sweet potatoes. So I've got 2 sweet potatoes here. I usually don't use the orange sweet potatoes, but somebody had given these to me and I thought I'll throw them in. Very fall sweet potatoes. So I'm just going to cube these up and then we'll season them. And I'm just seeing how big I want to make them. Probably about this size. They want, you know, basically like bite size, because these are going to be going into a salad. Alright, so I'll finish this up and then I'll show you the seasonings I'm going to use. Alright, and I just sprayed a little water on these to help the seasoning stick. So I'm going to be using garlic salt. If you're salt free, just use garlic powder. Little onion powder. I'm going to use a little poultry seasoning. Just makes it feel like fall, right? Okay. And then I got to do the smoked paprika. I just have to. It's my favorite. I just love the flavor. And if you're not a fan, then you can leave it off, but oh my god. I love it, as you know, if you've been following me for a while. I put it on everything. Then just go in with your hands. It's gonna be okay. Alright. Get these in a single layer. I've got my oven preheating at 400 and we'll leave them in there for at least 30. We'll see until they're done. And then we're gonna put this baby together. Here's the rest of the ingredients. We're gonna do some of this baby spinach arugula mix. I've got some pomegranate seeds, an apple, and I've toasted a few pumpkin seeds. So we're just going to cut up the apple. And I like to just have some chunks here. But if you'd prefer slices, there you go. So very simple. we're just going to put some of this in a bowl. Nice handful like that. And put some of the apple in. A little bit of pomegranate seeds here. Then I've got the sweet potato and the Brussels sprouts. Look at that. A few of those toasted pumpkin seeds, and all I did was, you know, have them in a dry pan on high heat for like 3-4 minutes. Just a little toast, make them a little toasty. And then I'm just going to use my 3-2-1 dressing, which I'll leave the recipe below, but I've made it a million times for you guys. But I highly suggest you invest in a flavored balsamic vinegar. This one is cranberry, pear, white balsamic. It's so delicious, especially for the holidays. So it's a little pricey, but a little goes a long way, and it makes a huge difference in your dressing besides just using plain old balsamic. And there you go. We're going to give it a taste. All right, here we go. Finished product. Let's give this a taste. Get that dressing mixed in a little bit. Just want to try a Brussels sprout first. That is a flavor explosion in your mouth. So good. With all those different flavors, the apple and the pomegranate, the Brussels sprouts, sweet potato, a little crunch from the pumpkin seeds, with so many different textures. And you've got savory and sweet. It's really perfect for the holidays. It's just a perfect fall salad. So I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like this video. If you did, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And if you want more recipes like this, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, which is every week. And be sure to check out my cookbook, and I'll leave a link to everything down below. The full recipe will be down there. If you've made it this far in the video, please comment below with harvest, and that way I know you made it to the end with me, and I really appreciate that. Remember, all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate and your weight. Until next time, thank you.